The following video is a Jones & Shipman 1310 cylindrical grinder.
Okay, we have a machine here. We've done a lot of work to it. We've cleaned it up nice. It's, I believe, from the 1970s, possibly even older. It's currently wired for 440 volts. I'm going to go ahead and start the hydraulics. Start the grinding wheel, the headstock. This will be the coolant. The coolant system on the machine is on the side here. Normally would be pushed in underneath, but currently we have it outside for the video. It's an original Jones & Shipman coolant tank. It's got a lot of different baffles here. The pump is mounted here. And then you can open this door up and scrape out all your sludge, and it falls into this little tray that you roll out, and then you dump that in the garbage. So this is a plunge feed machine and a pick feed machine. It has pick feed and plunge feed. There's no rapid in and out, but there is a rapid or coarse feed for your in feed on the slot, or your normal feed for grinding. Table controlled by this, controls your speed. Top knob here, a lever, is to inch it in slowly by hand. The mount can be adjusted by the two setting screws on the side here. This is your fine feed dial for making fine adjustments. Slip this lever up here, and this will begin the automatic in feed. As the reversal comes, so does the feed. The center selector sets the dead stop in place so that it will stop at 0. And then if you weren't using the table, you actually have a mechanical type plunge feed that you can slow down. On the side here is where you set the amount of the step. This here you set the frequency. And that shuts that off. Again, the side here is adjustment for your amount of your increment. You have your tailstock here. You have a live and dead center type workhead. In other words, you can drive like we are right now between dead center, or take the center out and put a chuck or a faceplate in there and rotate the whole center. You got your tailstock, table adjustment, swivels, is all nice and cleaned up. The wheel head itself has it mounted in the back. An ID grinding spindle here that you would have to remove the guarding on the back and remove the tailstock in order to swivel this all the way around to put in position for ID grinding. But that's how you would do that. Lubrication hand pump on the side of the machine. The base of the machine contains the hydraulic unit, so as it warms up the whole machine and keeps it at a constant temperature. You have a special filter here for your spindle oil, and a sight glass and window that you can see the oil going through. I believe there's a few accessories with the machine. I think there's a faceplate. There's a two 3-point steady rest and a 2-point steady rest, as well as some additional guarding we don't have on right now. Some centers. We have a 4-jaw chuck, special Jones & Shipman taper that goes in the headstock. Also a 3-jaw chuck. This is for a small Jones & Shipman type collet. This would go on the headstock and rotate with a live center. And I guess that's pretty much it. Thank you very much.
Again, the preceding video was a Jones & Shipman model 1310.